awards, exhibiting their talents, grown up to achieve great success, name and fame, as well as high human values.
We all are gathered here on this annual day to motivate and inspire the young minds to showcase their talent. This is a highly important occasion for everyone. It is because of that, apart from the fact that this celebration highlights our school's continuous success in the area of education. In today's celebration, the main star attraction is we students and our lovely parents. The annual function is a vibrant event celebrated to showcase students' talents and achievements.
An annual function is a highly anticipated celebration in educational institutions. It brings students, teachers, parents and guests together to mark the achievements of the year with performances, awards and cultural programs. This memorable event helps to foster unity, pride and a sense of accomplishments within the school community. Throughout the year, we have participated in various academic and co-curricular activities. The annual function gives us a chance to exhibit all the talents. It also tells us the importance of teamwork and the joy of collective achievements. The journey with us so far has been really exciting, and our educators have always put their best efforts to guide and help in showcasing the hidden qualities of each and every student. The talents that demonstrate here are the proof that we are having the potentiality to be useful citizens in future. Well, we are glad to be a part of this institution. Sadashiva Group of Schools is a place where each child is handled with utmost love, affection and made feel comfortable, so that the concentration level towards the learning environment is not fading. To the world, our parents may be simply a person, but for us, they may be the world. This sentence is to give recognition and respect towards our parents. With immense pleasure on behalf of my school, we welcome our dear parents to join this event to witness the hidden talents of the students. We do cherish your partnership and collaboration in all endeavors of our life. We treasure your love and concerns towards our institution, which is our second home. Your esteemed presence amidst.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it is the time to invite a renowned social activist. It is none other than our chairman, Dr. Shivrao. He is serving as active social worker and fighting the people in actual need. He is well known and distinguished figure in the society. He is being highly respected and known for his kind deeds and selfless services for the society, social service field. His stewardship.
Laying an environment where both academic rigor and holistic development coalesce seamlessly. Standards and inspire a culture of excellence.
I now respectfully invite our esteemed dignitaries to kindly proceed for the lamp lighting ceremony.
We begin the celebrations with lamp lighting ceremony, symbolizing knowledge, conquering ignorance, prosperity over darkness, and the divine light of wisdom guiding us. We welcome our honored guest, Prince. The lamp's unwavering flame guides us symbolically towards knowledge, wisdom, and mutual growth. Contribution of knowledge, harmony and progress.
a small question to you. Are you all excited? If you are really excited for the show to start, I want a kind of cheese of clap from your side. Big round of claps. Thank you, parents.
మ్యారేజెస్ తక్కువ వస్తాయి కదా తెలియదు మనం అక్కడ కష్టం రావడం అది ఏపీ కదా ఇక్కడ అయితే కదా ఇదేనా మేడం బట్ మన నిజామాబాద్ మ్యారేజ్ అయితే వచ్చింది మరి ఎక్కడికి వచ్చేసి దగ్గరలో మరి సికింద్రాబాద్ దగ్గర కొన్ని డేస్ లాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది కదా ఫ్రీ బస్సు బస్కి వస్తాయి
Many eye-catching performances are really waiting for you, parents. They are really going to steal your hearts. And please, wear your seat belts and
సారీ అదేగా శర్మ సార్ ఫుల్ హ్యాండ్స్ వేసుకుంటా బాగుంది శర్మ సార్ అంటే సార్ కాదు సార్ లక్ష్మీ సార్
Let's begin the show. A warm welcome to the great audience. I am Varshika and she is my co-host Bhavika.
Instagram
कुछ बात